how money works. Most people think money is paper in your wallet, coins in your pocket, or numbers on a screen. But money is none of these things. Money is trust. It works only because people agree it has value. Without that trust, the system collapses. Long ago, people traded by barter. A farmer gave grain to a shoemaker for boots, but barter had flaws. What if the shoemaker didn't want grain? Trade stopped. So money was created as a universal agreement. At first, it was coins, gold, silver, copper, precious because they were rare and hard to fake. Later, paper notes appeared, each backed by gold stored in vaults. Today, over 90% of money isn't physical at all. It's digital entries on a bank's computer, circulating as cards and apps. When you put $1,000 in the bank, you picture it sitting safely in a vault. But in reality, it doesn't stay there. The bank might keep only $100 and lend out the other $900. Then that $900 is deposited somewhere else, and 90% of it gets loaned again. This repeats endlessly. That $1,000 can multiply into $10,000 of new loans. This is called fractional reserve banking. It creates wealth on paper, but also risk. If too many people ask for their money back at once, the bank collapses. New money isn't created by printing presses. It's created as debt. When you borrow $10,000, that money didn't exist before. The bank typed it into being. But here's the trap. You owe the $10,000 plus interest. The interest wasn't created with the loan. That means the total debt in the system is always larger than the money available. Someone must always lose. This is why debt never disappears. Inflation is the silent thief. 50 years ago, a candy bar cost 50 cents. Today, it costs $2 or more. That's not because candy changed. It's because the value of money dropped. As new money floods into the system, each dollar becomes weaker. Your savings buy less every year. This forces you to keep working just to stand in place. Taxes take from one side. Inflation eats from the other. You earn money. You lose some to taxes. What's left loses value each year. This is how the system keeps people running. Work, earn, pay, repeat. Like a treadmill you can't step off. Notice something? School teaches history, math, and science, but almost never teaches money. That's not an accident. If people truly understood money, they would stop being controlled by it. Keeping you financially blind ensures you'll spend your life chasing it. The debt cycle. Student loans promise you a future. Credit cards let you buy what you can't afford. Car loans keep you paying for a ride to work. Mortgages bind you for decades. Every step of life comes with debt. Debt is the chain that keeps people locked in place. Consumerism is the bait. Advertisements tell you happiness is new shoes, the latest phone, or car upgrade. You spend and spend chasing status, but none of it builds wealth. Assets create freedom. Consumerism creates dependency. Assets versus liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Examples: investments, businesses, real estate, royalties. Liabilities take money out. Examples: car notes, debt, luxury items. The wealthy buy assets. The poor are tricked into buying liabilities. Understand the difference. It changes everything. Don't rely on a single paycheck. That's how the system keeps you trapped. Build multiple streams of income. Learn high-value skills. Start side hustles. Create digital products. Invest in assets that grow while you sleep. Compound growth is money's hidden power. If you invest $100 today and it grows 10% a year, in 30 years it becomes almost $2,000. Small seeds grow into forests with time. The earlier you start, the more the system works for you instead of against you. Community wealth is power, pooling resources, supporting each other's businesses, practicing group economics. $1 that circulates in a community is worth more than 10 that leave it. Unity creates strength where division creates weakness. Money mindset is the key. Don't chase trends to impress others. Don't let emotions control spending. Don't believe money is evil. Discipline with money equals freedom. Flexing with money equals chains. Money is a tool. It was never meant to control you. Learn how it works. Break free from the traps and use it to build freedom instead of slavery.